Hello, I'm back. Are you all ready to put some of this together and start making some things? So let's talk about playing around with your blocks, with your circuit blocks today. So power is essential. You're always going to need your power block. All right, I've turned it, opened it up and turned it off. Power block is essential. You have these alligator clips. I have two of my alligator clips. I have my siren and I have my LED light. And what I've done is I've daisy chained some of my components together. So here we go. I've taken my negative wire. Remember I told you I was using yellow for my negative and green for my positive. I've taken my negative wire, so black to black. I've connected it to the negative wire on my siren. I then took my green wire, uh, alligator clip, connected it to my positive wire. And I took my positive wire from my battery source, right? And I connected my positive wire to my battery source to my positive side of my LED. And what's going to happen is I've created basically an alarm system. So when I close my circuit, I'm going to turn my battery on and close my circuit off. And when I clip it here, because my alligator disconnects electricity. And so here we are. I now have a siren and a light that goes on when my circuit is closed, on, off. Now, challenge for you. You could substitute your shake brick. You could actually tape something to it. I would say maybe you want to tape a little paper man or something to it. You could make him shake and dance by turning him on and off, right? There's infinite possibilities of what you can do with your bricks and play. So let's talk about one other thing. You have this fan here. So I'm going to unhook this. I'm going to take my alligator clip off. Alligator clips can be a little slippery and tricky. I'm going to take my clip off. And you can try clipping to the ends of this, of your paper binders. If they don't conduct electricity well enough, you can always kind of sand it. Take a nail file and sand the edges and see what happens. So I'm going to take my alligator clips. I'm going to put one here, my positive. I'll take it off of here. And I've already set this up. It's a little warm in my office today. And you all should have some type of fan blade for your motor. I've decided I'm going to make myself a little fan. A little personal handheld fan. So I took one of my rubber bands and rubber band it on. Push it on, make sure it's on there good so you don't want it to fly off. I have my battery pack closed. So and this doesn't really have polarity, so it doesn't matter which side you clip it on. So I'm going to clip one alligator clip to this lead. And be careful with these leads because they are a little bit delicate. I'm going to clip the other alligator clip to this lead, little, right? And then I'm going to close my battery. And look it. I have a personal fan. Oh, feels great. So with that, you now have several components to play with. You have your shake brick, you have your motor, you have your LED, you have a siren. So let's see what you can put together. Use your creativity and see if you can invent something. A great way to have a fan, I just use my pen, but if you had something like a clothespin or something else that you can actually prop it up and make your fan so that it just blows right on you, it's like tabletop versus you holding it, that would be great. So you have enough items in your box to let your creativity and your imagination run wild. And that's what inventing is all about. Using your imagination. There are no right or wrong answers. There's only trial and error. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed the contents of the box. Enjoy making. Thank you so much. I appreciate your dedication to STEM education. Bye for now.